Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to tell you how to force stop apps on Android. If you want to stop force of any app on your Android phone, so you just need to follow these steps. First, you have to choose the app which first you want to stop. As I'm going to choose YouTube, so just keep a long press on it and then tap on app info. And here you will easily get the force stop option. And if you won't get it here, so you have the second step, which is open your mobile settings. Now scroll down and look for apps. Here's that, just tap on it. Now tap on see all apps, and now select the app which force you want to stop. As I was going to stop YouTube first, so just select YouTube, and here you will easily get the option of force stop. Just tap on it, and after tapping on OK, you will have to successfully force stop of your app. So that's how you can easily stop force of apps on Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.